Step into a bright space, the seamless blend of convenience, comfort, and connectivity at Signature 1505 Raleigh. Choose from opulent en-suites and non-en-suites and charming 2 to 4 bedroom apartments, each featuring hardwood floors for you to glide like royalty, walk-in closets so you can store all your stylish fits, and a huge TV for blockbuster nights. Breeze through laundry in the full-size washer and dryer, and whip up deliciousness in the beautiful kitchen with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. When utilities are all-inclusive, there are no extra bills to worry about. Hit the books in the study and conference areas for maximum productivity. Daily cardio is sorted with a fitness center to smash workout goals, or the resort-style pool for a dip or lengthy laps. With on-site covered parking and bike storage, even your wheels have a home. Head to class in style with William Peace University and North Carolina State University, just a short drive away. Hillsborough St at Park Avenue eastbound bus stop nearby adds more convenience. So, hurry and book your spot at Signature 1505 Raleigh now with amberstudent.com.